Welcome guys, so today I'm with the QCY T5 and I'm going to show you how you can turn them on or turn them off manually. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently connected with them, they are activated. To power them off, you have to take them out of the case and then click and hold in this place both earbuds. So click and hold and just take a look on the connection status. When it disappears, it means that the device is turned off. Keep holding. As you can see right now, they are turned off. They move to the previously connected devices, and also right here at the bottom they blinks a few times red and means that they are turned off. To turn them on, just do the same. Click and hold. Take a look on the indicator. After a few seconds they turn to the green and they will be connected with our device. And that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.